Hello techies, we are in lab 4.2.7 and we're going to configure Microsoft Defender Firewall. So you have a new laptop that is running Windows 10. You notice the security messages indicate that Windows Firewall has been disabled. The laptop is currently connected to your organization's network and the domain network profile. Settings are in effect. You plan to travel this week and you will connect the laptop to various airport Wi-Fi hotspots. You need to enable Windows Firewall for any public network. So in this lab, your task is to configure Windows Firewall as follows. You're going to turn on Windows Firewall for public network profile only. In addition to the programs and ports currently allowed, allow the following service and programs through the firewall for the public network profile only. A service named Key Management Service, an application named ARC98, an application named AppConfig. Okay, that's just AppConf, but that's just a short form for app configuration. So let's go ahead and we're going to start up lab. Let's see if there's any other thing we need, any other tasks here that we need to take note of. All right, so there's no other tasks. We'll go ahead and start up lab. All right, so in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video occasionally and work at your own pace. So the trick is to match every move I make, every step I take in this video. All right, we are inside the lab now. Let us start up immediately. So we go to start a menu and we go to, so let's just scroll down to, let's scroll down till you get settings. And when the settings page open up, click on network and internet. And I'm going to maximize this so that you see clearly. I want you to match every move I make in this lab. So scroll down and we'll go to Windows Firewall. And then we are going to, let me maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. And scroll down. So public network is currently turned on, so I'm going to turn public network firewall, ensure that it's turned on, and allow an app through firewall. And I'm going to maximize this so that you see what I'm doing. And it says let's scroll down to key management service. Ensure it is turned on for public domain. So let us uncheck this and check for public domain and allow another app. So what else do we allow here? We're going to allow an application named ARC98. Okay, so we select ARC98 here and then we click add. So that has been added. So we allow another app. Which other app are we adding? AppConf. So we select AppConf and we click on add. And so now that those are added, we are going to make sure we check the two for public network and then uncheck other domains and private network. So I've checked the two for public network. Ensure you uncheck it for domain and private network. All right, so we click OK when you're done. And so go ahead and score lab. And in case you find this video to be helpful to you in any way, Remember to share on other platforms so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment any question you might have. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.